Hello gardening friends, I have a super exciting announcement for you. We now have shipping and we have local pickup on our website. So a couple nights ago I stayed up until 4 a.m. in the morning working on this so that I can have local pickups for you guys. So the way how it works is what you're going to do, you're going to put in your order, choose all the plants that you want to purchase. And then when you're ready to order, you're going to click on the, I'll kind of film a little video for you guys and show you kind of all the steps, but basically you're gonna click on checkout, and then when you do that, you're going to choose the location. Once you put in your shipping location to calculate the shipping, then you will be able to see the local pickup, and you can choose that if you are in the approximate location, in close proximity to us, I should say. So we are located in New Hampshire. If you are in the close proximity to us, then you will be able to come and pick up from us locally, and we will notify you when your order is ready for you to pick up. So please don't show up until we let you know that your order is ready. You can book an appointment to pick it up, but just for quick notification, we will be taking a break for the week of July the 4th. We won't be open this Saturday either. I will make a separate announcement on that to let you know when we will be available again. But basically, back to the website, you can choose the local pickup if you are close to us, unless you want to drive, 8 or 10 hours, or I don't know. The United States is a vast country, and you just want to make sure that you are close to us before you choose that local pickup. If by accident you chose a local pickup and you are too far away from us, you can cancel your order and then place your order again, so that you can actually receive your plants. So the reason why I did that is because I want to make it possible for the people who are in close proximity to us to be able to pick up the plants, because as you know, shipping can be very expensive, packaging is very expensive, and there's a lot of kind of hidden fees that we have to take care of that you guys don't see, and sometimes we might have to pay more than the shipping price that you have paid. So we have the packaging and handling fees to take care of all of the extra expenses that we would have to pay on our part to ship the plants for you, because there's a lot that goes on behind the scenes in packaging the plants and shipping and all of that. So when you do choose the local pickup, then the packaging and handling fee is going to be subtracted from your purchase, and you're not going to be paying for that. So if you've checked out our website before, you'll notice that the prices have dropped drastically, and that is for a reason. I didn't have the shipping and handling fee beforehand, and now that we have the local pickup, I chose to do the shipping and handling fee instead of raising the prices of the plants to cover all the extra expenses that we would have to pay for when it comes to shipping plants. So now what you're seeing, the price that you are seeing, is the local price that we sell our customers, that we sell our plants to our customers with. Is that the proper way of saying it? I can't think right now. My brain is so jumbled up. But anyways, this is why when you see plants online, they look expensive, is because of all of these things that we have to take care of when it comes to shipping plants. And also, we're dealing with live plants. Sometimes, plants get lost in the mail. Sometimes they die through transfer. We do our best to package our plants very carefully. We water them before we ship them to you. And, we're going to be putting all the proper labels on them so that hopefully the drivers that are delivering your packages will actually handle them properly and not toss them around. And these things do happen, but we will do our best to package them so in a way that you can receive your plants healthy and well taken care of, so that you can put them in the ground right away. So when you do receive your plants, if you do order from us online, just make sure to take them out of the box right away, water them, even if they were watered before, because they might be in transit for like 3 days or so, and they might arrive, they might have dried up on by the time you receive them. If they look a little wilted, that's okay. Plants are resilient and they will perk back up when you water them and let them sit in some shade for a few hours until you are ready to plant them. If they arrive dead, we ask you to provide us with pictures and give us some information on what happened when you received them and your order number and all of these things. And again, you can contact us on our website via our email, and we will get back to you and do our best to fix any issues that you have. Again, we are a small family business, so we ask you to please be patient with us. Back to the shipping, people expect that shipping is going to be free because everyone is so used to the large companies like Amazon and Walmart and all of these places. Well, these companies are super large and they have special packages with the shipping companies, so they give them a huge discount, and we don't get that discount as a small business. We have to ship the same prices that you guys would ship any item if you were shipping. We're not getting any discount on shipping, so this is why it is the way how it is. But the reason why we have plants online is for plant lovers like me. If you are looking for something and you can't find it in your local area, having these plants offered online is a great way to find it. I purchase a lot of plants online. That's how I got a lot of my plants, because I just simply can't find them in my local area. And this is what we're doing for you guys, to provide you with all of these beautiful plants that will be available to you on our website.